2024년 4월 8일 플로리다의 한 마을에서 11살 소년이 인도를 따라 자전거로 귀가하던 중 한 남성에게 위협을 당했다는 911 신고가 접수됩니다. 남성은 소년이 자전거 전용 도로가 아닌 인도로 다녔다는 이유로 극도로 분노하며 소년의 가슴에 위험 물품을 겨눈 채 위협을 가한 것이었는데요. 죽을 수도 있겠다는 극심한 공포 속에서 소년은 겨우 사과한 뒤 집으로 피신했고 이를 안가족이 신고했습니다. 신고를 받은 경찰은 곧바로 인근 수색에 나섰고 얼마 지나지 않아 산책로에서 피의자로 보이는 남성을 발견합니다.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Pretty good. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah.
Do you have an incident earlier involving something with a kid on a bike?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
He's coming down the sidewalk here. I don't know, 25 miles an hour. I can't judge.
01 Murphy's. I'll be en route to
He's a
102.
big kid. He's got a helmet on, a big bike, and he's right down the middle. What am I supposed to do?
Okay. So what happened?
So I told him to get the hell off the bike. I said, we gave you half the road. It says right there. I showed there was a sign, one of those outlines of a biker. I said, you don't even have to read. Just look. It's a bike thing. And he goes, I'm sorry. And he gets over it.
Thank you. 10-9.
VFK short tone, and the victim said he can possibly ID if you choose him again.
Negative on the first part, but it's 10-4. It's probably going to be the subject.
Look, I'm 74 years old.
Okay.
I have a bad heart. I've got a bad skeleton. I'm trying to get some exercise.
Okay.
This kid is a lethal problem to me.
Okay.
Because he weighs probably 150 or 70 pounds, somewhere in there. He's coming at me at 25 miles an hour. There's steel bars involved. Mostly I get over for people.
Okay.
Okay, especially with dogs and the rest of that stuff, because I don't want to get bitten by somebody's dog. But this guy doesn't cede anything. It's just right down the middle of the highway, or right down the middle of this.
Did he say anything back to you?
Just the time when he went over, he said sorry and he went over.
Okay.
But he didn't say anything before that.
Do you have anything in your hands?
Yes, I did. I had a knife.
Okay. Okay.
I
Do me a favor. Don't reach in your pocket.
Okay. I walk with my knife because, of dogs and things
Okay.
like that.
And-
There was a guy the other day. He has no leash on the dog. As far as I can tell, it isn't licensed. It's one of these derivatives of a boxer. I mean, those things have jaws that shrink apart.
Okay.
In 2 seconds.
The knife is in your right pocket?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to grab that out for you, okay?
Yep.
Can you do me a favor and turn around for me?
Yep.
Do you have anything else in the pocket?
Nothing in the pocket.
Okay. Any other weapons on you?
Yes.
What else?
I have a gun
Okay, where's that?
on my left side.
Okay. Do me a favor, keep your hands up for me. I'm also going to grab that.
Yep.
Is this your phone or is this...
That's the phone.
Okay. I'm going to leave that there. All right, I'm just going to put it up here. Okay, so we got a call from the young man's family.
Okay.
They're concerned. They're concerned about what took place. So right now I have...
And I'm concerned that they don't teach their children
Okay.
anything.
Well, that's a conversation maybe you can have. But right now I have another officer who's on his way out here, and we're going to start sorting through this. He's the one that talked to the family.
We are pressing charges. We will be going to jail
We
today.
need to know if we're pressing charges. They found him.
We believe he found him. We don't know
100%.
sure. But
Okay, well, they found someone who meets Rocco's description. So, would you like to speak with him? Because he needs a guardian to say yes to pressing charges. I said yes, but
Stepmom,
yeah.
if she says yes, that's fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
Well, my dad's going to be home. There's my dad. So,
Okay.
all right. Yep. Okay, they found... Well, they're literally talking to the guy right now, Mom. So, Rocco would have to go with them to identify him. So Dad's here. Okay. All right. I love you. Bye. Okay. Yeah, all right. This is done though.
All right.
Oh, here. Let me.
You can come over.
Where does he need to sign this?
So, well, parents gonna sign. Dad's here. I'll have Dad
Okay.
sign here where he's pressing charges.
Okay.
Rocco, you're gonna come with me in just a second, and then we're going to do what's called a show up. If it is the subject, I can't force you to say it's him. If you don't think it's him, you can't tell me it's him, because if you feel confident, remember, at the end of the day, how old are you? How old are you?
11.
You're 11 years old. You're testifying that this is the person that possibly did this to you. Okay.
You gotta make sure.
You gotta make sure
this is
you're
done.
just if you can't make a decision, that's fine. I can't hold you to that. You're not in any trouble. All right, I'm trying to help you out the best I can. Hey, buddy, I'm Officer Castro in Springs Police.
Johnny, did
John,
you find someone?
we did. So we have a very big, important decision that he's gonna have to make in just a short second. I'm just waiting to hear from the officer. If it is this guy, he has to identify him. If he can't identify him, he doesn't know, he's not sure. I can't move forward with the charges. We're still gonna go with the charges, but we won't be able to make him take an arrest if he can't positively ID him.
Where is he going to identify him at?
Well, I'm gonna take him with me. We got a subject right now.
Not
here. No, I got officers over there with him. We're verifying that in just a second. But yes, so you're the parent. I'm
Yes.
assuming you're gonna press charges for this.
100%. If you
All right.
pull a knife on my kid.
Absolutely. So
you
go
find
ahead and
something.
yep. So go ahead and initial this. And on the first box, you're gonna print signature today's date. Okay.
You did the right thing coming home.
You did the right thing. Yes, sir. Your name. All right, buddy. So tell me the description one more time of what you saw.
I was riding my bike and I saw a white man with I think it was a bluish t-shirt and he had a sun.
He had a person with him?
No, bluish t-shirt.
T-shirt. Okay, blue t-shirt.
Yeah,
What
like
else?
sun hat and black sunglasses.
Hold on. Slow down. Sun hat. Sunglasses.
Black sunglasses, yeah. And he had green and black cut down biker type of gloves.
Gloves.
Like fingerless gloves.
Yeah, fingerless gloves.
How old was he?
50, he was older than my dad, I think.
Alright, so white male, blue t-shirt, black sunglasses, sun hat. What color is your sun hat?
Tan.
Tan?
Tan and black.
Alright, we got green and black fingerless gloves
Yeah.
and approximately 50 years old. Alright, let me go verify this real quick, officer. If not, we're going to be doing that drive real quick, okay? And yes, we're pressing charges. Good to go. Alright, buddy. You ready? I'll be back, okay? I'm going to go take him with me.
You want me to go? Or?
Nah, just him. All right. So, because we can't change his image of what this person looks like. So he is in handcuffs. All right. You're gonna be completely safe in my car. He's not gonna know what you look like. So I'm gonna do 2 pass-bys, and I'm gonna go real slow, and you're gonna tell me if that's him or not. All right. Take your time making the decision. You got 2 pass-bys, and we'll go slow. Okay. Take a breather. You got it. If you can't make a determination, be honest with me and tell me, because I don't want to lock somebody that's up, and all I got is your information. Okay. So remember, this is a big decision. If you can't feel confident that that's him, just be honest with me and tell me no, okay? You're not in any trouble. You did the right thing.
100%.
You ready?
You gotta be 100%. And just look, they cannot see
They cannot see you. You're in the back of my car, all right? He's not going to come and hurt
Trust
you.
me, they can't see me.
All right? You ready? Let's go do this. All right, buddy. We're going to go real slow. And this is going to be the guy over here with these officers, okay?
Yep, that's him.
That's him?
Yeah, because of the gloves.
All right.
I saw a blue shirt and black pants, but that's him.
Okay.
26. All right, Mr. Schaefer, do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. All right, Mr. Schaefer, you're being placed under arrest for aggravated assault. Okay.
조사 결과 해당 인도에서 자전거를 타는 것은 완벽한 합법이었습니다. 남성은 70kg대의 아이가 자신에게 돌진해 정당방위를 했을 뿐이라고 주장했지만 검찰은 이를 받아들이지 않았습니다. 결국 리차드 셰이퍼는 3급 중범죄에 해당하는 치명적 무기를 사용한 특수위협 혐의로 정식 기소되었으며 현재는 접근 금지 명령과 함께 $15,000의 보석금을 납부하고 재판을 받고 있습니다.